sing with me. Let's sing our morning song together. In the morning, when I rise, in the morning, when I rise, in the morning, when I rise, give me Jesus, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have all this world, just give me Jesus. God, we come to you today and we want to thank you for this day you've given us, this time that we can come and learn and grow. God, I pray that you would be with each of these first grade students. Remind them of your goodness and your faithfulness. And God, just encourage our hearts this morning. In Jesus' name, amen. Oh, I miss singing that song with you guys in the mornings. I'm lifting you all up in prayer today. So I love you and miss you. And here we go. We're going to start another devotion from How Great is Our God. And I picked this one because it goes along with our science themes of plants and seeds. So are you ready to learn something exciting? Here we go. Floating, flying, and exploding seeds. Since plants don't do much roaming around, God has given them some unique ways to spread their seeds. You might have heard about birds eating seeds and then, leaving them somewhere else. Some seeds stick to an animal's fur and are spread when they eventually fall off. But other plants are a bit more creative in sharing their seeds. For example, the coconut is actually a gigantic seed that floats. By riding the waves, coconuts have spread their trees to islands all around the world. Other seeds like the dandelion and maple whirlybird sprout wings and fly away. The squirting cucumber fills with the liquid, building up pressure inside until it explodes, squirting its seeds 10 to 20 feet away. But perhaps the most impressive and dangerous is the sandbox tree, also called the dynamite tree. The sandbox tree has seed pods that are like ticking bombs. When ready, they explode, shooting out their seeds at 150 miles per hour with a sound like a gunshot. God was very creative when making plants and their seeds. But there's one kind of seed he wants you to spread. The seed of kindness. Being kind means more than just smiling and being nice. It takes courage to be kind to that kid that everybody else picks on, or that person who's different from you. And it takes strength to be kind when you're tired, or when others aren't so kind to you. But when you plant a seed of kindness, it grows and spreads. When you're kind to someone, it encourages the person to be kind to others, who are then encouraged to be kind to still more people, and on and on and on. So go ahead. Today and throughout this week, spread a few seeds of kindness. And with all that's going on, being cooped up in homes, kindness can go a long way. And it is a great way for us to encourage with the hope that we have in Jesus. So make sure you're checking on your neighbors, love on them, send them reminders of hope, and pray for opportunities to spread and share God's love with them today and this week. Ready to learn something cool? The sandbox tree, I don't know if you can see it right here, the sandbox tree, is also called the monkey no-climb tree because it's covered in spiky spines. The sap causes a terrible rash and even temporary blindness. It's even been used to make poison darts and arrows. You definitely don't want this tree in your backyard. Wow, there are some incredible plants and seeds that God has created in this world. Maybe take some time and just walk around and observe the beautiful plants. Our verse for today is Hosea 10:12. Plant what is right, then you will harvest good things. You may talk to your mom and dad about what this means, or just sit for a minute and ponder. Plant what is right, then you will harvest good things. Have a great day today, class.